Hello and welcome to the Monster Ball 2 game hosted by BioBritain and Spartan Airsoft. Just wanted to say first off that whoever watches this from the guys that made this event happen, thank you. Thank you for hosting such an awesome event. I have never had so much fun in a day of Airsoft ever. And I also would like to say thank you to the Sniping Raccoon who drove 2.5 hours just to come and see what Airsoft is all about. It takes some bravery and confidence to meet someone that you met on the internet just by pure randomness, but it was great to see you even though, before anything even began, you got trapped in the mud. I kind of felt really bad for that, throughout the whole day actually. I should have warned you there was a fork-way in the road just by the Spartan Airsoft event itself, but at least the staff got you out, so thanks to Spartan for that too. So diving straight into game 1 of Monster Ball 2, which I would like to point out was 2 hours long. We as the survivors were tasked to looking for supply caches as well as pick up some objectives while we were out on the field, along with the British Army, the Biomax and of course the Undead. Moving out of their spawn point, we began our search for supplies. We were informed something of value was at the village, so it was a simple trek forward till I spot a teapot with 2 cups.
Cup of tea, anyone? Food supplies. Yeah. I don't trust this pot. Like anything could be in it. Right. Come here. Right. Yeah.
Watch
right.
the threat lines as well. Watch your footing.
Well, after that silly moment, we entered the village only to find the British Army were there and they wanted nothing to do with us. The good thing about these reenactment style of airsoft games is that it wasn't all about killing other factions, and we wanted no quarrel with the army and wished to negotiate with them. Unfortunately, they threatened us with superior firepower to stay away, and then I spot a gentleman in a lab coat. Immediately I alert my fellow survivors and we bring him back to our spawn point to learn who he was and what he was doing out there in the middle of nowhere.
I don't know, unless the science labs have been raided, it's possibly there.
Right.
Right.
Tell us where the science labs are.
I know where
Yeah,
the science
just
labs
by
are.
the back over there.
Just where we started.
By where we started.
Camouflage netting and the boxing. It's all over there.
It's a bit of a trek.
What he's saying is true. Well, who knows? If he's with, you said you were working with Biomax.
I was working for Biomax,
Right,
I never
okay.
said I liked it.
Okay. All right. Have they been? I'm wondering whether or not they may still be looking for you.
I have encountered them already. They too were not very careful with their assets. They have no idea.
Okay.
No idea how valuable my life is.
Yeah, if you want to get
you.
some action, if anyone wants to go and have a look, by all means. So compound B.
What we need
Compound
to do is
B.
we need
What
to
would
make
we be
sure
looking for?
we need to get these guys back to compound A.
Yeah.
We need to keep him. We need to keep him alive.
Guys, before you disappear, you want to know what you're looking for. You.
What is it?
Compound A.
Ah, right.
Compound B is a blue chemical.
Okay.
Compound A is green chemical. I need to mix the two and ample time for them to settle before I can use
Okay.
it.
4 of us, yeah?
Yeah, I'll go with you.
Alright, so 3 in a medic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Do you want to come with us? Alright, Ashley.
Action over there.
What's going on?
Shit.
Right.
Is that survivors? Zombie!
Go! Zombie!
We need to get the chemical now. Let's go. Back here, guys. Over here. Retreat. Retreat. Oh shit! What the hell is that thing?
Fuck's sake!
Everybody form a line behind the bush.
Oh shit! Run! 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 Guys, we need to go and get that.
Don't shoot him, that's why you ran.
If we need to do something, we need to do it now.
Hey! Over here! Come on!
Oh shit! No! Come on, we gotta save our medic! Come on! Circle round! Come back to us! Come on, you son of a bitch. All right, they stop. Let's go. Back here.
Come on, get out, get out, get out.
Come on. Go, go, go. Holy shit.
Fucking hell.
Right.
Our first encounter with a zombie, and it was some speedy motherfucker with giant claws that reacted to movement and sound, so us shooting at it really pissed it off and it frightened the living crap out of me. But trust me, this was not our only encounter with that thing. You'll see later. Moving on, we head to the science lab to locate the second chemical that the scientists needed in order to create some kind of cure for the zombie plague. We find it, so it was all about finding a safe area for him to mix the chemicals. We had a good location in mind, but it meant getting past, once again, the British Army.
Whoa, shit. I'm being shot at.
Don't shoot, we just want to talk! Harley! We just want to talk!
Oh, that wasn't safe the last time I was there.
We're not saying around here, sorry, mate. Guys, support, get them in the base.
We made the agreement, we're allowed to go past.
We made the agreement.
We're allowed to go past.
Agreement up there, we're just taking it.
Drop your hands.
You've got 3 of us.
Stay there.
Army
soldiers, you are not keeping your end of the agreement.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Let's go. Go, now,
Come
go.
on, guys, come on.
Come on.
Let's go.
Son of a bitch.
No, he's not shooting at us. He's not shooting at us.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, he shot him.
Go, 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 go.
Where's Ryan?
We only wanted to get past. Son of a bitch. We need to carry on.
Get into that compound, go.
We need to get into the compound now. Right, should we get past through here?
Sharpish, sharpish, sharpish. Go.
Go. Right, there should be a pathway to cut through here, right to the ambulance. Goddamn British soldiers, never trust them.
Right, we'll have to do.
This'll have to do.
No, this is more army. Stay in there. Right now.
We will watch the
Pistol
road.
drawn. Anything that opens this door, the door won't close. Oh well. Right, crack. Okay. Anything that opens this door is not us. Okay.
Right, let's go. Let's go make sure they don't get this.
Right, Dan. Watch that side.
Really tense moments, but luckily our fellow survivors unite with us to protect the scientists and mix the chemicals. But while waiting, the zombies were approaching fast, and before the chemicals could be fully mixed, we had to leave the area and find a new location to make the mix for the cure successful. We had a good bet to head back to our base where the undead unfortunately catch us.
Jesus Christ!
Go,
Go!
go, 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 run, run.
Come along, scientists! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, oh shit!
blame my slow ass self for getting caught by that beast. I don't last very long as a zombie either, as there was no zombies around to revive me. At least to my knowledge that was how it was played, so I waited for my 10 minutes to be up before rejoining the survivors, only for the game to be ended pretty soon after that. We lost the scientist after all that hard work, so I will end the video there. Tune in next time and we will take a look into game 2. Thank you all for watching.